Hey there and welcome back. So now you're more than halfway there with starting your online business and this 7-step guide to establishing your online presence. We are in day 5 and today we are going to talk about customizing your WordPress website. If you are new to the series, make sure you go back and check out days 1 through 4 where we've already gone step by step through everything we need to do to get to the point where we are ready to go ahead and customize our site. So at this point, you've installed WordPress and now it's time to create a site that is uniquely yours. So to do this, all you need is a killer WordPress theme, some plugins, some widgets, and you will be well on your way. So to begin, you're going to go ahead and log into your dashboard, and this is a kind of zoomed in and cropped picture of a dashboard in WordPress. And then from the menu on the left, you're going to click on the Appearance tab, which will pop out another drop-down menu that will list themes, widgets, menus, and editor. And you're going to want to click on themes. And when you do that, you'll see that you already have 2 themes that are installed. You have a theme called 2010 and 2011, and both of them come pre-installed with WordPress, but there are thousands more to choose from, and that's what we're going to look at next. So at the top of the page, you're going to want to click on Install Themes. You can see there's 2 tabs there, one that says Manage Themes and one that says Install Themes. You're going to click on Install Themes, and here you can search the WordPress theme directory by color or layout or any other number of options that you see here. You can also look for featured or recently updated themes, and each theme will have a thumbnail and a description so that you can look for something that appeals to you. You can click on the preview link below any theme to look at it in a larger image, or you can click install to just go ahead and install it on your site. Now, most of the themes that you find here are going to be free themes, and although a lot of them look nice and will do the job, if you're truly going to be an online professional, you really need to use a professional or premium theme. And when it comes to premium themes, there are so many that it would make your head spin. But not all themes are created equally. And in the theme world, only a handful of themes are really the creme de la creme. And one of those is the Thesis theme. Thesis is like the godfather of WordPress themes. It's easy to use, it's easy to customize, and it comes complete with a community and library of support tools. Thesis is built on a powerhouse platform that will shave off a ton of work when it comes to winning on the web. So if you can't tell, I love it. I use it, and I think that you should too. And you can get it at a link that is on my site at marleeward.com if it interests you. So once you've installed the theme that you like, you want to go ahead and click on the Manage Themes tab at the top, and then you'll see the themes that are listed within your site that are available to you. And so you're going to want to click on the one that you want to use and select Activate. And here you'll see that Thesis is in fact activated. So depending on the theme you choose, you will also be able to add a custom header and widgets, and all you have to do is check for a link to the theme options to see what other choices you have. And in this case, you would go over to the left navigation bar and click on Thesis, and you would find all of those options there. Now, most themes either have 1 or 2 sidebars that run along either side, or the left side or the right side of your site. And in this particular image, this is a image from prolificliving.com. The sidebar is the portion of the website that you see with the red arrows pointing to it. And you can change what appears in the sidebar simply by dragging widgets around in the portion for your sidebar within your dashboard. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment, but I wanted you to see what it looks like from a web user's perspective. So one of the things you might want to do with your sidebar is display links to all of your other pages, or maybe you want visitors to be able to search your site, or you want to be able to put an opt-in form in your sidebar. You can also use your social media icons and put those in your sidebar, and those are all things that you see here. The opt-in form is where you see get free email updates. She has Farnoosh, who is the author and owner of Prolific Living, has an image of herself along with her social media icons below that. And so these are all things that she was able to put in her website through the dashboard within Thesis. So I'm going to show you how you can do that next. So what you're going to want to do is go back into your dashboard. You're going to click on Appearance, and you should see some named sidebars in the areas on the right side of your screen and the available widgets in the center, and that's what that looks like here. You'll see your widget choices are in the middle, and then your sidebars are listed on the right there. So let's say that you wanted to display links to all of your pages. You would go over to this widgets section and you would click on the widget that is called Pages, and then you would drag it over to that box labeled Sidebar 1 and literally let go of your mouse and drop that widget into that sidebar. And then your pages would be visible on your site in your sidebar. Or let's say maybe you wanted visitors to be able to search your site. You would look for the widget called Search. You'd click on that, drag that over, and you would drop that into your sidebar. And then once you have dropped your widgets into your sidebar, you can actually rearrange them in the same exact fashion within the sidebar. Now, beside the standard widgets that come with WordPress, which you see here, there are some special ones that serve specifically social media and your mailing list sign-up forms. And we're going to be covering that in our next lesson. So for now, you just have to sit tight because we're going to cover the very important topic of building your email mailing list next. And we only have 2 more days to go before you're totally live with your brand new online business. If you have any questions or comments about this training, please head over to marleeward.com and leave them in the comments section at marleeward.com. I will talk to you tomorrow.